This car was not just dirty, it was forgotten. Covered in mud, rust, and years of neglect, it looked like it had reached the end of its journey. Most people would walk away, believing nothing could be done. But look closely, because what you're about to see is not just cleaning, it's transformation. Layer by layer, the dirt was removed. Every scratch, every damaged part carefully repaired. What once looked lifeless slowly began to breathe again. The metal started to shine. The color came back. The details returned. This wasn't luck, and it wasn't magic. It was patience, effort, and the right process. When something is treated with care instead of being abandoned, change becomes possible. This car proves that no matter how broken something looks, it still holds value. All it needs is attention, hard work, and time. The same hands that cleaned this car restored its identity. The same process turned damage into beauty. And in the end, what stood here wasn't an old, dirty vehicle anymore. It was a clean, powerful reminder that transformation is real. If something can be restored this perfectly, then nothing is truly lost.